Okay, start. Hare Krishna.
So we are in Bithur, this place named Bithur, and this Bithur is the place where Dhruva Maharaj born. This is the kingdom of Uttanpad, and this is the Ganges here. We are on the bank of Ganga Maya, and this Ganga Maya temple is there. Hanumanji is there also, and this Bithur is famous for Brahmaji. Brahmaji performed tapasya here, and this is this center point of the universe. We will go to the main Ganga uh, that place called one nice ghat is there, and we all know the story of Dhruva Maharaj. Dhruva Maharaj born here, and we know King Uttanpada was having two wives. One wife is Shurushi, and another is Shuniti. Then Shurushi, the second wife of Uttanpad, and Shuniti is the first wife. So generally, king having very special affection and love for Shurushi. One day, Dhruva, a small boy, 5 years old boy, came to father, wanted to sit down on the father's lap, and Dhruva and Shurushi told, "No, you cannot sit down on your father's lap unless you born from my womb." And Dhruva is a Kshatriya boy. He got very hurt and he started crying. Went to his mother Shuniti, and Shuniti told, "See, I am a very old, and your father has no love and affection for me. So if you want to satisfy the Vishnu, then Vishnu can fulfill all your desire." Then he went to the forest. We know all the story in brief. We can say Dhruva Maharaj started from this place, started walking, and it was a big, deep forest, and many ferocious animals are there like tiger, crocodile, snake, all this. And Dhruva started walking to the Vrindavan, that is Madhuban in Vrindavan, Mathura, the birthplace of Krishna, and then from Mathura is just 10 kilometer, near 5-10 kilometer, that is Dhruva Madhuban. Dhruva went to that Madhuban, and when Dhruva started walking, a small boy, many ferocious animal was coming to eat Dhruva, and Krishna is sitting in the heart of all the living entity. Krishna directed all the ferocious animal in different direction. So we can see that when you are in fixed in Krishna consciousness, and many problem come to you, and Krishna is look like problem is grabbing you, and suddenly Krishna directed the problem to other way. If you are fixed in Krishna consciousness, the Dhruva is no problem, no tiger is coming to eat of him. He is in fixed in Krishna consciousness. So he is going, and Narad Muni came to test him, and finally Narad Muni satisfied, and Narad Muni gave him mantra. He went to Jamuna, took bath there, got the mantra, and went to Dhruva Tila, and Dhruva started doing tapasya, 6 month tapasya, and by 6 months he got the darshan of Vishnu Bhagavan. Vishnu Bhagavan appeared in front of him, and suddenly Dhruva Maharaj could not see anything inside meditation, and his meditation broke, and he saw outside that Vishnu form is outside, and Vishnu is very satisfied and wanted to give him boon. Dhruva started many prayers satisfying the Vishnus by the mantra, and finally Lord asked him, "Dhruva, please ask the boon. I want to give you some boon." Dhruva told, "No, my dear father, I am fully satisfied. I don't want any boon." So when one is in Krishna consciousness satisfied, he don't want anything from the Lord. You want only devotional service to the Lord. Dhruva told, "My dear Lord, I was searching for the broken glass, and I got your darshan. Your darshan is like a having darshan, like I am looking for the broken glass. I got the diamond. Your darshan is like a diamond, and your darshan is very difficult even for the demigods, for the munis, rishis, pantastu koti shatabachara sampragemmo vaya lotaspi manaso munipungavaanam. Your darshan is very rare for the munis, rishis, demigods, and I got your darshan. I am fully satisfied, my dear Lord. I don't want anything. Kasan, Bisinban, Oti Dibba Ratnam, Shamin, Kitartasmi Barum Najachi. So this is there is nice prayers are there. So we are very fortunate. We are in the birthplace of Dhruva Maharaj, and this is very old city. Now we can't see many cities. Even when English came, and the English was having fight of the Bithur king here. Here is a big fight of the British and the king of the Bithur. It is very old history of the Bithur are there. So Hare Krishna, we are in the Bithur on the bank of the Ganga and Dhruva's birthplace.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
How many minutes, Prabhu?